In this video, I'm going to reveal some mind-blowing AI-powered website and tools that will generate you incredible daily income. Some of these tools will make you around $100 a day, and some have got the potential to generate thousands of dollars daily. I am super excited to share these tools with you today, so let's not waste any more time and jump straight into the video. Hey Money Crushers, welcome back. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. With inflation reaching its all-time high and people losing their jobs, I had to research and find out a way where all my money crushers can make money just by sitting at their homes. Now let's get started with the list of tools that can make you thousands of dollars. The first tool that I am going to show you today is the most simple tool on the list, and you can use it totally for free, and it's a pretty easy way to make some extra cash. Now if you look here, someone is already using this method, and they have generated over $30,000 from this, selling almost 3,000 copies in total. And the AI tool you can use to do this is called Palettefm. This is a very simple tool that will turn black and white photos into colored pictures. Now there are a few ways to make money from this, but before that, I'll show you how to use this really quick. Here is a black and white photo, and you just need to upload it on their website, and the AI will get to work instantly and generate a colored version of that image. And as you can see here, the black and white photo I just uploaded has been magically turned into this colored image. How cool is that? This is literally the best time to use this opportunity and technology to make yourself a fortune. Now the easiest way to make money from this website is to offer your services on a website such as Etsy or Fiverr. As you can see here, a lot of people are providing this service over here and are earning over $30,000 doing this simple task. Usually people used to do this by using Photoshop and using very complex color grading tools to achieve this effect. But now, in the age of artificial intelligence, it can be achieved by a single click of a button. Exploit this opportunity to its max potential and make loads of cash using this strategy. Now to really outshine and make the most out of this opportunity, try to think outside the box. Instead of competing with hundreds of sellers on Etsy and Fiverr, you can list this service on Facebook Marketplace in your local area or run ad campaigns on Instagram to attract more clients. Now before I move on any further, I want my money crushers to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on my future videos. Now the next tool I'm going to show you is a completely new AI tool that works like magic. It's an awesome little tool that you can use to make money. This tool is a Chrome extension called Devi. I will leave a link down in the description that you can use to download this tool. Now what this AI tool does is that it will monitor Facebook groups, Twitter, and Reddit for you automatically. It will keep looking for the specific words or patterns that you mention, and whenever it finds a match, it will notify you instantly. Now you might be wondering, how can I use this to make money, Stacy? The answer is quite simple. I want you to program it to keep looking for the specific keywords that include a service you are going to provide. For example, let's say you want to start looking for people looking to colorize their black and white photos. Whenever someone mentions in any Facebook group that he or she needs a photo to be colorized, you will get an alert instantly. And you can even reply to them directly using this AI software. I have also shared a secret tip at the end of this video to use this tool in a very unique way and make the most out of it. So keep watching and you will be making thousands of dollars in no time at all. Now before we move on to the next one, I want you guys to comment down below. How are you guys using AI to make your life better? The next tool I am going to share with you allows you to jump on a massive trend and has the potential to make you some crazy money if you give this a go. I'm pretty sure all of you are watching TikTok or YouTube Shorts for hours every day. I present to you a completely automated way of making money from this. The AI tool I'll be sharing will get the job done for you automatically. The name of this AI tool is Videoad. This is completely free to use, and it works like magic. Now essentially what this tool does is that it will provide you with a short from any video link you provide it. I will share a genius way you can make money with this in a second. But till then, let me show you how this works. You can directly copy and paste any YouTube video link, and it will import the video and render a beautiful short for you in seconds. Just provide it with a couple details about the format, and in no time your video will be ready. You can see my video is ready. Let's take a look at it. It was just mind-blowing. The fact that this video is not edited by any human and is generated by an AI gives me literal chills. Now, a way where you can make money from this is by offering this service to YouTubers or influencers who don't have time to edit this short-form content on their own. Now there is a lot of competition in this arena, so here is a genius tip for all my money crushers. You can choose videos like this where people are showcasing different gadgets or any form of product. You can generate a short from this video and attach an affiliate link in the description of the video so that whenever someone clicks on that link to buy the product, you start getting paid. I can't wait for my money crushers to try these tools and make themselves a fortune. I will be sharing more tools like this in the next video that will blow your mind. So make sure you have subscribed to the channel and have your notifications turned on so that you don't miss out my future videos. Now for my money crushers who just want more out of everything, here is a secret tip for you. Another unique and out-of-the-box way of using the second tool I shared in this video is to start monitoring terms like best laptop or any other product. And whenever you get an alert, you instantly reply to them with a laptop from Amazon with your affiliate link to make crazy money. And this was another quick, simple, and easy way to earn real money online. Thanks for watching. This is Stacy, and you are watching Money Crush, where we make your dreams come true. Keep dreaming.